Are you having some problems opening the files recorded with this 4K action camera? So the thing is, with these cameras, they actually are recording in very old school codecs and also video formats. So it's recording in AVI format, and also the codecs also aren't the best basically for this camera. And what that essentially means, if you basically transfer over the image to any modern smartphone, videos, most smartphones actually won't be even able to play those videos. So what we can do is we can simply use maybe some kind of third-party software, video player, to open these files. So what I suggest you to simply download the VLC media player that is actually able to pretty much open and play basically any video file. So basically once you download the software, simply try to basically run it through this software. Also, what I can suggest you do is you can also basically import the video simply in any kind of video editor. For example, CapCut is free, so it's available both on phones and also on PC. So if you connect to the PC, simply install the software, basically import the video there, and then simply export basically it in a normal format. So again, the main cause of these issues is simply these cameras simply use some kind of terrible codecs essentially, which most devices actually can't understand. Also, if you have some problems with audio delays as well, that most often is caused again by these codec problems. So again, converting basically to another format, exporting this format will fix that. So what I found, and also if you have basically a slow memory card, also this might actually create problems. So on your memory card, so if I can get the focus, okay, see for example this memory card says U3 over here, so this is actually decent speed. And also you can check for V30 as well on your memory cards. At least that for speed is okay for this camera. If you use some kind of very slow and very old memory card in these cameras, they also often lag, and also the audio will get even more delayed, and yeah, also might cause some problems simply if you have bad memory card as well. Also on this camera, if you click the mode button several times, we can also enter the settings. So also if you basically do not have the best memory card, you can simply go in the resolution settings over here and simply drop your resolution maybe to Full HD. That obviously also will help in the overall performance. So it simply won't be using as much resource to record the video, so basically it will record less data, so older memory cards also will be basically give you better performance essentially. And when it comes to video quality, I tested basically this 4K versus Full HD, and generally I couldn't actually find any real difference between them. So definitely you are fully safe to actually record in Full HD. And also in my experience, also this also reduced any lags and delays and stuff like that in the video recording when I recorded that. But again, so the most common cause is simply, so this camera simply doesn't record in very good codecs, so you simply convert or simply open with any decent video player, and it should play those files. Okay, anyway, good luck.